If your J5Create docking station isn't working properly, you might notice problems like devices not charging, monitors not displaying, or USB ports failing to detect accessories. These issues usually happen because of insufficient power delivery, outdated drivers, firmware glitches, or incompatible cables. Since docking stations rely on stable USB-C power and proper communication with your operating system, even a small mismatch in drivers or cables can cause connection failures. Fortunately, most problems can be fixed quickly with a few simple troubleshooting steps. Step 1. Check that your dock is using a sufficient power adapter, such as a 100W charger and a working USB-C cable. Step 2. Disconnect extra peripherals temporarily to reduce power load on the dock. Step 3. Update your graphics, USB, and system drivers through your operating system. Step 4. Install the latest dock firmware or diagnostic tool from the J5 Create Diagnostics app. Step 5. If issues remain, test the dock with another device or cable to rule out hardware faults.